Okay, so now we're done using even and odd as a divisibility rule, and we're going to practice solving division equations by doing repeated subtraction. So in this case, the division problem is 9 divided by 3. And so just like to do repeated addition, if this was 3 times 3, you would add 3 plus 3 plus 3, okay? So that's what this repeated addition would look like. Now, we're going to do repeated subtraction. And so to do repeated subtraction, you start out with what you're dividing. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Then you're going to take the quotient from that subtraction, you're going to take the difference from that subtraction problem, and you're going to subtract again. So here's 1 minus 3, so 6 minus 3 equals 3. There's your minus 3 again. You're going to subtract 3 times. Because here's 1, here's 2, I only have minus 3 equals 0. Okay, so I knew I was going to subtract 3 times. So the number of times that you subtracted this number, okay, is going to be your quotient. This is your dividend and this is your divisor. The number of times that you subtract your divisor is going to be your quotient, and the quotient is your answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So if you're going to show me your repeated subtraction, you would show me 9 minus 3 equals 6, minus 3 equals 3, minus 3 equals 0, okay? And then you subtracted 3, 1, 2, 3 times. Don't count this one right here. Don't count this one because this was what was left over. So minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, okay? So that's what you're going to do, and then you're going to practice doing that again here. So 24 minus 4 is what you're going to do here. So you're going to subtract 24, and I'm just going to get this started for you, minus 4 equals 20. And then you're going to subtract 20 minus 4 equals, and then you're going to tell me what that is. And you're going to subtract all the way, you're going to subtract 4 all the way until you get to 0, and then count. How many times did you subtract 4? That is going to be your quotient, that would be your answer, and then remember to show me your repeated subtraction down here.